doesn't bother me at all, like, you know. So that's another thing. For me, it's not an issue, but for other people that will be an issue. Hey guys, welcome to Lucy Beams. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to Lucy Beams, guys. Today I am so excited to announce or to reveal my hair. Not really reveal, I think I've done a video with my hair on, but you know, so it's been a month that I've had my microlocks and I am so happy. I am so excited. Oh gosh, the freedom of waking up in the morning and you don't have to do anything, you know. Anyway, let's get into that, guys. So today it's been a month, it's been 4 weeks. I finished installing my hair on the 5th of September, and now today is the 8th of September, so just a little over a month, and I am so happy, guys. This hair has, oh my gosh, I couldn't be happier. I love it. I love it. I'm obsessed, literally obsessed with my hair. I can't keep my hands off my hair, which is no good. I need to stop doing that. Yeah, so let's get into it. 1 month update. What have I, like, how has it been having microlocks for the whole 4 weeks? Well, it's been life-changing. Like, literally, guys, I am not exaggerating. It's been so good. It's been so freeing, knowing that I'm not thinking about when I'm gonna get my hair done. How am I gonna get my hair done? What style should do? Should I do box braid? Should I do this? Now, none of that. So you just wake up in the morning, just shake it off, and you're ready to go, and your hair's ready, literally. So I'm happy with my decision that I've made so far. It's been great. So I'm gonna take you guys with me and just take you guys through how I have been with my hair for the last 4 weeks, what I found challenging, what I like about my hair and stuff like that. So let's get into it. I don't want this video to be too long. My battery is about to die. So let's get into it. As I was saying, guys, I started my microlocks with 2-strand twists. And then within time, guys, these little twists, they're gonna lock and become locks. So that's how I will just explain to you guys in a short form. They're gonna lock within time, and that's how we call it microlocks. Microlocks, you know, micro, it's small locks. So because these are not traditional locks, they are smaller sort of locks. Again, this is different from sister lock. Again, that's another conversation, that's another topic for another time. Yes, so this is different from sister lock. Microlocks, sister locks are different. Very similar. In the end, you're gonna get the same result, okay? And this is just a very simple way to explain it. I will go into details with different sort of video coming up. As I said, I installed my microlocks on the 5th of September. That's when I finished installing them. It took me a few days. I think it took me about a week and a bit to do it, because I've just been busy. I've got family, I've got kids, I've got this 8-month-old, so I'm not just gonna sit there the whole time and do it. I was just doing like an hour, 2 hours, do other things, and then go back to my hair and stuff like that. So it took me about a week and a bit. And then at the end, I finished it, completed everything on the 5th of September. And today is the 8th of September, so just a few days after my 4 weeks or 1 month max. So what I actually experienced was itchy scalp, guys. I think a week after I installed it, my scalp was on fire. I don't know why. My scalp has never been that itchy ever, so it was very itchy. I didn't do much. I would just put in oil and I would just try not to scratch it, because you know, when you scratch it, it actually makes it worse. That's what I found. You scratch it, it makes it worse, and then also it sort of mess up with your hair. You know, your hair become a bit you know, odd, looks odd, because you keep scratching it, you know. So I didn't do much. I think I only put oil. I put grapeseed oil and tea tree oil just to soothe the scalp, and that helped a little bit, but the itchiness was still there anyways. So I try not to scratch it, because I feel like the more I scratched it, the more it just continues. So that was that. And also I think also the scratch, the itchiness also come from dirty. I did not wash my hair until 2 days ago, so I actually washed my hair on my exact 4 weeks mark, like 1 month mark, and that was the 5th of October. That's when I washed my hair. I'll get into that why I did that. Okay, another thing that I experienced was shrinkage. I just noticed that my hair shrunk quite a bit. It's not like, honestly, it doesn't bother me. I love short hair. I think that short hair just complement my face, so I love short hair. Shrinkage doesn't bother me at all, like, you know. So that's another thing. For me, it's not an issue, but for other people that will be an issue, especially if you're used to having long hair or you love having long hair. And that's another thing. I decided to do my locks on short hair because I've heard other people just like, oh, I'm gonna wait for my hair to get longer so that I can install my micro locks. But for me, I don't mind having short hair. Actually, in fact, I love short hair. Like, I love short hair. Yeah, so I installed my micro locks on 7 inches of hair. So my hair currently is 7 inches long. As you can see, it looks quite short because obviously it has shrunk, but I'll show you how long. So that's how long my hair is. There you go. So you can see how, you know, it just shrunk. So yeah, so from the time when you install it and afterwards, like especially after you washed it or just spray water with it, spray water on your hair, it kinda shrinks. That's how we just expect our natural hair to do. And some people will ask what's my type hair. My hair is 4C. I think even my hair is 4D, 4E, because my hair is so rough. My hair is hard. My hair is hard to manage. My hair is so coiled. Like, you see other people, guys, with some nice curls in the end. For those who have a bit of loose hair, I don't have that, and I don't really care. I don't mind having this hair. It is what it is. I'll show you my little, I don't know, can you see that? So it's just like, can you see that? Yeah. So that's little coils that I've got at the end. Yeah. And others have like really good curls at the end, and that's okay too. Okay, so that's what I experienced, shrinkage, and really it doesn't bother me. So another thing I touched on, not washing, because I just wanted to have a few weeks without washing my hair. And as I said before, I washed my hair after exact 4 weeks, and that's because I just wanted my hair to set. I wanted my hair to sort of, I don't know, I just want to wash it as soon as I install it, and because of that I had build-up. Like, I had a lot of build-up, and also that goes to another point, build-up, because I didn't wash my hair exactly like straight away after installing it, like 2 weeks or a week. I've seen people do that, but I just wanted to wait so that my little twist can actually set and not unravel so quickly. I experienced build-up, I think, also because I left it too long without washing it, which if I have to do it again, I will do the same thing. I also believe my build-up, guys, it was a lot. It was so strange. I've never experienced that much build-up on my scalp. And I also think because before I installed my hair, when I washed it, I was in a rush, and I think the conditioner that I used, I didn't rinse it out properly. Yeah, I don't know. I just don't know, because the build-up was a lot. I would just like do a bit of this. You can see them, like you can see the flakes, the white flakes, just like, you know, falling. I'm just like, oh my god, how embarrassing. But you know, thank God it wasn't smelly. I was like, I was so insecure, especially just when I'm close to my husband, he starts to touch my hair. I'm like, stop, is my hair smelling? You know, there's build-up, don't touch it, stuff like that. I was like, oh, but I persevered. I just wanted to wash it after a few weeks. But just do what you know you can with your hair. Just listen to your hair. If you wanna wash it, you wash it. You don't have to wait for 4 weeks to wash it, honestly. But for me, I just feel like I want that. I don't want to make any mistakes in the beginning, the very beginning. So I just like, you know what, I'll just wait for a little bit longer to wash my hair, so that I can just avoid a lot of slippage, a lot of unraveling and stuff like that. And that worked wonders, guys. So I washed my hair on a my battery is about to die, so I'm going a bit faster. So I washed my hair on the 1 month mark, and I did the braiding and banding method, and guys, my hair, it was great. Like I haven't noticed any unraveling, nothing no slippage at all. I've got one little locks here. Can you see that? It's a bit, you know, undone, and this has been like this even before I wash my hair. This is quite small. I'm thinking of like joining them together. But anyway, so that's, I didn't experience any slippage or any unraveling with my twist after washing it. And I think because I waited a bit longer, that helped. I don't know, you know, I don't know. So I didn't want to take that risk. I've seen a lot of people complaining about freezing, like a lot of frizz in your hair, and honestly, I haven't experienced that a lot. I don't know, because my hair is really 4C, like 4C hair. But I think the more I wash my hair, I think the frizz was there. There is a bit of freezing. Let me show you. So just at the back here, so you can see these ones just there. You can see some frizz there. Can you see that? Yeah, but it's not too bad. It's not too bad at all. And again, honestly, I don't mind the frizz. It actually makes your hair looks puffy and nicer to me, according to me. Okay, for me, I feel like it looks nicer, it looks puffy, and you know, I don't like when it looks all perfect, like, you know. So if I have that frizz, I won't mind it. I don't think I would, but so far I don't have that much freezing at all. It's there a little bit, but not much. But I think like the more I wash my hair, the more frizziness I will experience. Frizziness, I don't know. One more point. So people have been talking a lot about the ugly stages. You know, the ugly stage is like when you just finish installing your locks and it's scalpy, yeah. So you see a lot of scalp on your, you know. So it's because it's quite thin. It hasn't swell up a bit, so it looks quite scalpy. And honestly, I didn't experience that. I didn't think I had. I put some photos of like when I just finished installing. I'll put some footage when I just finished installing it, and a week and 2 weeks. Like honestly, I didn't experience any ugly stage. I think it's because my hair is quite thick. As soon as I finished my hair, I was like, oh, that looks nice, that looks okay to me, you know. So because I think my hair is so thick, I didn't experience that. But I think for most people who their hair is quite thin, you will definitely experience a lot of ugly stage. I don't want to call it that, but a lot, like where you actually see quite a lot of scalp. Okay. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it, guys. Those are the main things that, you know. If there's any other thing that I forgot, I'll put it down below in the comment section, or if there's anything, just ask me a question and I'll be glad to answer it. So far, guys, this is one of the best decisions I've ever made for my hair. Like for the past 10 years, I've been cutting my hair on and off, starting this natural journey, and then I'll cut my hair because I just can't. My hair is just so hard to maintain, honestly, to manage. It's really hard to manage. So I've been cutting my hair back and forth, and the last time I cut my hair was in 2019, January of 2019. I had like, I'll put a video here. I cut my hair like low cut, like nothing, and I've actually surprised, actually grown from 2019. It's less than 2 years. It's grown quite a bit. Talking about grown hair, I had a baby 8 months ago, and I experienced a lot of hair loss, postpartum hair loss, and that was mainly on my edges, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So I wanted to wait until my my edges grows back, but I was just like, you know what, how long am I gonna wait? I don't want to deal with this hair business anymore. So I just like, I'll just install the MicroLocks, and when my hair grows and when the edges grows back, I'll just create the baby locks. I'll just do the twist and create more baby locks on the hair that is growing, my edges. So I'll show you. It was pretty. I hope, can you see that? So me doing that, actually it's covering my edges that I lost, and it's just been so annoying. I was really heartbroken. So do you see that? So that's how I lost my edges due to postpartum hair loss when I had a baby. It's growing slowly, you know. Look at that. Like, this was a big loss for me. So all this is gonna be baby locks that I will do. Can you see all this hair over there? All this I lost. Again, it's gonna grow soon, and I'll just, you know, look at that. So it's growing, and yeah, guys, my battery is about to die. I'll just in terms of maintenance, guys, so far I'm still learning. I'm still, you know, trying to find what works and what doesn't, but from now I think it's a 1 month, and I think I'm due for my first retie. And talking about maintenance, I think I'm going to be doing 2-point rotation, because I've heard from my research 2-point rotation, it's easier. Honestly, it's easier. I don't understand what this 4-point rotation, northwest, east, so I'm gonna be doing 2-point rotation. I'm gonna be retiring my hair every 4 to 5 weeks. As you can see, this is the 4th week, and actually it looks like I really need a retie. Every 4 to 5 weeks. Also, I will yeah, I think the 2-point rotation makes your hair fuller, as it's not too tight. Okay, so yeah, before my thing dies, let me show you guys just a quick overview for how my hair looks like. So I'm not sure how many we have here, how many locks we have. I'm yet to actually count the locks. So yeah, so that's that, guys. This was just a quick update. I think the video after this, I'm gonna show you guys how I install it, so you actually get an idea of how I did it. So if you have any questions, guys, so please comment them down below so that I can answer them. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram. I'm very active there. I also share daily hair stuff there as well. I do some hair reels and some updates that I may not be mentioning on YouTube. They'll be on my Instagram, so make sure you follow me there. I'm very active on Instagram. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.